you got me on another level. It's like I'm rolling dice with the devil. Seen your pretty face soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, girl, it's like for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced you to my stove.
So your girl is going blonde, and that's just how I'm feeling. That's on period poo. You know, I'm just gonna do like a little life update with this installing part. You know, just to update you guys on what's been going on with me and like all of that. So this is not my usual hair video. Oh, by the way, this hair is from YOOWIGS. This is one of their blonde lace unit. I will have like all the details as usual listed down below for you guys. So the first thing that I usually do is decide if I want to cut the lace off or leave it on and lay it down, then cut the lace. But for this one, it's blonde, and I don't know, I think I'm actually, you know what, actually no, I'm gonna cut the lace first and then I'm gonna just take it off and cut the lace. Damn, Daniel, I get it again. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Gatsby Blasting Free spray. I'm gonna lay one side down first and then just follow me. So lately I've been like uploading a lot of hair tutorials just because, I mean, I make most of my money from hair videos, but that's not like what my channel is solely like based on, you know. So I do try to like put out different videos every now and then, and lately I just haven't like been in that like right state of mind to like I just haven't been motivated like that. So that also is kind of the reason why like I've just been like doing like work and not like videos that I actually want to do. And videos, like, I don't get me wrong, I enjoy doing hair videos, but I feel like because I just haven't been like in my usual and like regular state of mind, I just haven't had like that motivation to like, you know, even want to record. If it's not work, like I don't want to record at all. Or I'm gonna talk to y'all, but I'm just gonna try to glue down my wig first and then we gonna talk, okay? I really haven't done blonde hair in so long, you guys, so this is like, whoa, Kayla. Yeah, so the installing part is finished. We're just gonna go ahead and, you know, finesse the lace, make it look a little natural, and then yeah. So I'm gonna give you guys a little life update while I actually fix the rest of my hair. So like I was saying earlier, like the reason why I haven't been putting out like other content like lately, it's been like mainly just hair reviews and hair videos and stuff like that. But like for the last 2 months, I don't know what it was, but like I wouldn't say I wasn't like my fully, like my right state of mind just was not there. Like I was not motivated to do much. Like I literally, like days I would wake up and I just wanted to stay in bed. Like I didn't want to work. I don't know if I was depressed. Like I honestly don't know what it was, but like I do want to put out different content for you guys. I just don't want to bore you guys with like hair reviews. Like there's only so much freaking hair I could suggest you guys to buy. So so yeah, like my motivation just hasn't been there. Like I said, for the last 2 months, I don't know what it was, you know. I've been really moody too. Like I've noticed that, like I've been like just wanted to like isolate myself from everybody. Like I didn't want to be around anybody. I just wanted to like be to myself. And yeah, it's been like a rocky 2 months for me. Like even in my business, I haven't been like, I feel like I could be so much further if I just put my mind to it and just like just like if my focus was just there, I could be so much further with my, as far as like career, as far as like my business especially. I feel like I have been like slacking a lot. I feel like I haven't been doing like what I need to do to get my business to like the next level. And it all boils down to like back to like me being like, just me not being in that right state of mind for like the past 2 months or so. And so actually what I'm gonna do to cover up like the little knots in the front here, I'm just gonna go in with my foundation, my pressed powder, and add it in front of the lace. Yeah, like I was saying, it all boils down to just me not being motivated and me not being focused on what I really need to be focused on, you know. So I feel like right now I'm at a point in my life where I'm getting back there. I'm getting back there. I've honestly been dealing with like a lot of more personal stuff that I'm not gonna get into details to it. This year literally itself has been like the worst year of my entire existence. So one point I'm dealing with family issues, the next point I'm dealing with different kind of shit. That like just a lot has been going on, and I'm honestly so ready for this year to be over and just move on to another chapter in my life where I'm just like, I'm just, you know, I'm just ready to turn a new leaf and, you know, just get back to Kayla. I just want to get back to my regular self, you know. I've been just taking things day by day, and I know for a fact like God do not give us more than what we can bear. So I'm just gonna add some baby hairs to this unit. December 21st is my birthday. I'm not too sure exactly what I want to do. I know for a fact like I want to do a dinner with my family. I'm going to the Bahamas on the 10th to the 14th. That's like a pre-birthday trip. And then yeah, when I come back I'm gonna do a dinner. The next like 2-3 weeks I'm actually gonna vlog a lot, because like I said, I do want to put out new content for you guys, and this month I do have a lot going on, so you guys are gonna get a lot of vlogs throughout this month of December. And yeah, to be honest, I hate saying the word my subscribers. Oh, I meant a subscriber. No, like you guys are regular people. I'm a regular person. I'm not nobody special yet. So funny, so I was in the mall the other day and I met this girl. I was actually in Mac's store. If you're watching this, boo, yes, I'm talking about you. So I was in a Mac's store and she came in and she remembered me from, you know, watching one of my makeup videos. I don't know if it was a makeup video or hair video, she said, but she remembered me from YouTube. And after she greeted me, you know, I hugged her. Honestly, every time I meet like somebody I recognize me from YouTube, I don't know why I always hug you guys, but after she greeted me and hugged me, she was like, oh my gosh, you're one of the reasons why I actually started with YouTube, because in Toronto there's not like one too many like big YouTubers or influencers like that. I mean, obviously we have a good, I would say, I personally think we have a lot, but she was like, you know, there's not one too many that's willing to help each other out, which honestly I think is so true. Like we in Toronto, I don't know if it's just in Toronto, but I feel like us influencers, we don't like, she was like, I was so scared to talk to you because I didn't know whether or not you would like, you know, look at me weird, or you won't say hi back, or you just be like rude. And I'm like, why would I be rude to you? Obviously if I'm meeting you guys in public, and it's so crazy because I don't know what it is about me, if it's just the way that I look, if it's just the way that I, just my like natural look. Like literally everyone swears I'm such a rude person in public, or I'm like so stuck up, I'm so full of myself. Like literally these are things I've been hearing about myself for years. Like people would see me and they would be literally scared to come up to me. So funny because there's never been like one person that I've ever met in public and I was ever rude to, you know, like none of you guys that I actually meet from on here. Like you guys can always come up to me. I'm really not mean, I'm really not rude. So like it honestly shocks me whenever people are like, oh, I didn't want to say hi because you look like you're not gonna say hi back, or you just look bougie and stuck up. I'm definitely far not that type of person. So I was so shocked when she said that, because sometimes like people think it but they won't say it. So I respected her so much for like telling me. But yeah, I'm honestly not a stuck-up person. Like, this is something that you guys have been assuming for years. Like, whenever you guys see me in public, just come up to me. I'm like the sweetest person ever. Like, I love hugs. Every time I see you guys, I hug you guys. So come up to me, say hi. Don't bite. I'm not scary. Just come on up. This hair is actually so gorgeous, you guys. So that's pretty much what I've been up to. Also, I'm actually in the process of adding more products to my beauty line. I'm not sure if you guys noticed or not, but I do have a cosmetic line called Cador Beauty. And right now I do want to add more products. So for right now, I only have eyelashes, but I do want to add lip glosses, lip liners, like matte lipsticks, literally everything that has to do with beauty I want in my collection. And I know I'm gonna get there. I'm very patient, and yeah, that's literally what I've been up to. Yeah, my love life and all of that other stuff I'll probably leave for another video. I just wanted to give you guys like a quick update on why have I only been posting hair videos. So I just wanted you guys to know that. Yeah, my channel isn't based on only hair reviews, but you know, things have been crazy lately for me, so that's the only reason why. But I'm definitely getting back into that mood and that group where you guys are definitely gonna get a lot more stuff. And yeah, so yeah, this is basically the hair. This hair is so gorgeous, you guys. This is the hair in its natural state. I didn't want to actually touch the curls or do anything different to it, just because I wanted you to see the hair, how it looks on me, how it looks on my complexion. Usually I always try to run away from hair this color. I just find like every hair that I've ever received that was this color, I always had to dye them, tone them down. But the funny part is I've actually never tried it. I honestly thought it was going to look really funny on me, just because I think like the color is really yellow and I just wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. But overall, I'm loving the way that it turned out. The curls on this hair is really pretty. The hair is really nice, you guys. The hair is soft. There is a little shedding. I'm definitely getting a little shedding from it. It's so crazy, you guys. I feel like blonde hair and curly hair definitely sheds the most. Like, they shed the most. With straight hair, you would never get so much shedding, but with blonde hair, like any kind of blonde hair, they shed a lot. And curly units. So, but this one, the hair is beautiful, you guys. There's no tangling, but like I said, there is a little shedding coming out. So the hair is really soft and nice. Again, they're lace that specifically YOOWIGS, they use a really thin lace, which is called their Royal Dream Lace. And your lace is so thin that once you put it against your skin, it melts right in with your skin. You can use glue, your Got2b Blossom Free spray, some gel or whatever to lay your unit down, and it just like melts right in. So I love the lace that they specifically use for the units. It's really nice and soft. It's also really thin. So I did do a makeup look on the eyes and the lips. I didn't do like my full face. I didn't do a full face. It was just like the eyeshadow and my lips. So if you guys do want to know my secret lip combo, definitely head over to that video and check it out down below. Other than that, this is pretty much it. I'm definitely a blonde again. I'm loving this. I haven't done like blonde hair in so long, you guys. Honestly, I think it's been like, even in the summertime, it's honestly been about a year now since I didn't do blonde hair. That's crazy. It's been a while, you guys. It's been a while. That was pretty much my life update and, you know, future plans that I have for myself and my business. I'm just like trying to get everything together, trying to like get my life back on track and just like go in one direction. Like, you know, like I said to you guys earlier, God doesn't give us more than what we can bear. So I know for a fact, like whatever he's throwing at me, I can get through it. So whatever I'm going through, I'm always pull myself out and come back 10 times stronger. That I know for a fact, and that's a fundy. So yeah, thank you guys for listening to my little chit chat. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any of my uploads. Again, all the details will be listed down below on this here for you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.